Hello children, very good morning to you. Now in this video I am going to explain about language in use part from the third lesson. Okay, means that is grammar part of that lesson. Open page number 20. Now we are going to know about the possessive pronouns. Pronouns means already you learnt in previous classes, is it right? Pronoun, instead of noun we are using a word. That word is called as pronouns ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೌನ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಾವು we are going to learn about possessive pronoun. What about that possessive pronoun? That is one of the thing. See here, they have given that definition. Is it right? Words used in a place of nouns to show who or what owns something are called possessive pronouns. Then possessive pronouns means what? That is nothing. Got it? Possessive pronoun means if we are going to say something is belongs to someone ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್. ನಾವು ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹೂಮ್. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿರೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವ, ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Possessive pronouns. This is my pencil. Is it right? Is it the sentence of possessive pronoun? Howda idu? No. Got it? Means possessive pronoun means what are the words we are using, means they have given that example here. ಯಾವ ಥರ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮೈನ್, ours and yours. Is it right? Me, mine, our, ours, yours. Got it? This is the words of possessive pronoun. Okay, they have given one example here. Now I thought it is clearly understood to you. Is it right? Possessive pronoun indicates possession of something or a someone anta andre ownership of something. Got it? Possession means that only belongs to owners. Got it? ಆ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದಟ್ ಲೆಂತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನಾವು ಯು ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ನೋ, that's why it is little difficult to understand first only. So I am going to show a little small example here. You can understand by this example very easily, I thought. Okay, yes, see here, possessive pronouns. Example I have taken here, this is my book. What is the rule of that possessive pronouns while we are using in the sentences? ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು possessive pronoun ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಆವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡ್ ಎ ನೌನ್. ಏನಾಗಬಾರ್ದು? ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಏನಾಗಬಾರ್ದು? ನೌನ್ಗಿಂತ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬುಕ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೌನ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ನೌನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ನೌನ್ಗಿಂತ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಬುಕ್. ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, this book is mine. This book is mine. Got it? See here, this mine, this is one of the word of possessive pronoun. My, mine. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈ ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದೇನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು? ಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನೌನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ is used, but in this sentence after that noun. Got it? After means not suddenly followed by the noun. Got it? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೂ ರೂಲ್. ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ನೌನಿಂದ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ. Another one example here, that is her pen. Here this pronoun is precede previously. Got it? It is having an pronoun. This is noun. Pen is noun. This is her is pronoun word. Is it right? Means this is precede the noun. So it is not a possessive pronoun form. Her means that is hers. Is it right? Possessive form of that her is hers. Then what is the sentence by using that possessive pronoun means that pen is hers. What is that possessive pronoun form of that? That is her pen means that pen is hers. Understood? Yes. See here, these all words possessive pronouns, got it? That is having an s, but it is not has an apostrophe. That is one of the thing, got it? Except mine only not has an yes lastly, got it? Mine ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ last yes ಅಂತ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Other all words are having an s, but without apostrophe yes, or after s we are putting an apostrophe for what are the words having an s, is it right? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರಫಿನ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರಫೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಎಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ possessive pronoun. Now again come to this textbook example here. Swami's friend came out of the hall with a pencil. He asked Swami, "Is this yours?" Yours. This is yours. This is one of the possessive pronouns. Got it? Yes. Swami replied, "Yes, it is mine also. Mine means that pencil is belongs to Swami, and also his friend want to ask that pencil is yours means is it belongs to you, like that. Got it? Yours also one of the possessive pronoun. Mine also one of the possessive pronoun. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. Yes, next come to page number 21. They have given about reflexive pronouns. They have given about reflexive pronoun. What is the reflexive pronoun definition? They have given, see here, a reflexive pronoun is used to show that the person who does the action is also the person who is affected by it. Then what is that meaning means reflexive, that is reflection, that word only shows that meaning, is it right? Reflection means what we are doing again that is affects on us only ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Swami had found himself writing the last line of the last sentence at 4:30. What has happened here? What happened here means object, a subject and the object both are same thing or a same person, is it right? In the reflexive pronoun, subject and objects are ಸೇಮ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೇಮ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ದಟ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದೆಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೇ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್. In this reflexive pronoun, self is added. Almost self is added. Got it? Him, himself, her, herself, them, themself, like this. Got it? This is about the reflexive pronoun. Yes, now I want to show an example here about that reflexive pronoun. Me, myself, you, yourself. These all are the words we are adding, and self. For them we are adding and selves, like this. Okay, take this example. I saw myself in the mirror. Got it? What is that meaning? I saw myself in the mirror. This is one of the sentence of reflexive pronoun. Got it? I, this is the subject. Myself, that is also one of the object, is it right? Both are same here. I only seeing myself in the ಮಿರರ್. ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಮಿರರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಮೇಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್. Understood? Yes, in your textbook they have given some examples to fill in the blanks with reflexive pronouns, and also in page number 20 they have given to fill in the blanks with possessive pronouns. Okay, yes, try to fill in the blanks in your textbook. Okay, I thought this is clearly understood to you about that possessive pronouns and also reflexive pronouns. Possessive pronoun ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ one thing or something belongs to someone, we are going to say means, and in that time we are using an possessive pronouns. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಒಂದು ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ same sentence in the action. In that time we are using an reflexive pronoun. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? we are not using again and again that nouns here. We are using an reflexive. Swami had found himself writing the last line of the last sentence at 4:30. Who is writing here? Swami is writing here. Who does himself refers to here means that also Swami only. Understood? This is about the reflexive pronoun. Okay, thank you children.